Alright. Now we're finally in my little wooded area that I can walk in. Most of the snow is gone. We had close to 2 feet of snow about 2 weeks ago, and now we had 3 or 4 days of weather in the 40s. That pretty much melted the snow. In these logs, never know. There's a woodpecker somewhere up in these trees. It's over here. This is more like coming down the trail. It's steeper than normal. We'll take you down it and take you back up. Sorry for all the sniffling. When it's cold out, my nose runs a lot. Okay, now we're in a gap. So let's go back up. Yeah, the camera never really shows how steep anything is. This isn't super steep, but I am climbing. That fence in the distance, that is a nature center. I think I showed you the last time where people have cut through the fence, which is pretty unbelievable. Take you over there to one spot where there's a cut. Let's see, oh, it's over there. I see it. Nice to be in the woods, I'll tell you that much. There's a tree that kind of hollowed out till it gets to here. Then it's not. So, okay. So here is the hole in the fence. So if you're a deer, you get through here, it's freedom. Freedom. Nice. A lot of trees have fallen in there. So, anyways, now let's show you me. All right. So, this is my setup. Let's see from up above. Back of my pack, and so anyways, yeah, like I said earlier, I want to thank all my new subscribers. My videos are kind of geared towards someone who is aspiring to do a hike, backpack, through hike. So if you're an experienced hiker, you may not be too interested in some of the things I talk about, because I will talk about gear that you need, my gear, pack in a pack, putting my tent up, and so on. So in my pack, just to go over how I have it packed today, maybe you can see the top of my pack. And maybe the back of my pack on both sides. So anyways, the way that my pack is packed right now, from the bottom I put my my sleep clothes, soap liner, into a compression sack. I see this in a compression sack. I think it might be 14 liters. And then I compress that down to about the size of a volleyball. And then roll up my sleep pad. And put both of those on the bottom of my dry bag that's inside of my pack. Then I put my extra bags. I have a real small bag with some spare socks, spare hiking clothing, my medication, first aid, odds and ends, my extra pages from my AT guide, and all that goes in the dry bag. Then I close up the dry bag. On top of that, I put my food bag, which is an earth sack. Almighty. It's a big food bag. That way I don't have to hang it from a tree. I can just attach it to a large tree branch that's within reaching distance, and I don't need to hang it from a tree. So let's see, after the earth sack comes my puffy, which I'm wearing right now because it's so cold and I'm not really hiking up mountains. I have a hiking shirt, a fleece, and light equipment tour jacket on right now. So the last thing up on top would be my tent. Then I close up my pack, and at the very top of my pack I have my camp shoes along with my Z seat for kneeling and sitting when I stop for breaks. And then on the side I have a Gossamer Gear 1/8 inch pad that goes under my sleep pad in the tent. My trekking poles and my umbrella are on the side there. And then on this side, I believe, should be my stove, my cook system. And then way in the back, which you can't see, would be my crampons for the smokies, my bathroom kit, my water filter kit, and my rain jacket and rain coat. All my rain gear is in that back mesh pocket. And then I have two pockets and a fupa, a fanny pack. And I have various items that I want to be able to get to, like snacks and all that kind of stuff in there. If you enjoyed the video, you can hit the like button. I would appreciate that, so I know if I'm hitting the mark or not. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. It's okay. Not everybody likes all content, that's for sure. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, click on the bell, and click on all videos to be notified when I release a new video. The countdown clock has started. The countdown clock is now less than 3 weeks away, and I just want to tell you that my videos will be delayed because there's not much cell phone coverage during the first 5 days of the trail, and I am going to start out slowly. I'm only going to do about 8 miles a day, but I need to build up my stamina, make sure I don't overdo any of my joints. I have had plantar fasciitis in the past on both of my feet, and one foot it was so bad for so long that I had to get it operated on. Basically, they went in there and cleaned out whatever was in there, and then I was in a walking boot for a week, and then after that I could start walking again normally, and it hasn't come back yet. So all you new hikers, make sure you stretch out before you start hiking and after you start hiking, especially your feet, your ankle. Bend it back, stretch out those calf muscles. Thanks for watching.